Welcome to our GPU battle. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two powerful graphics cards, the ASUS SFF-Ready Prime GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 8GB OC Edition and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti WINDFORCE 16G. Both cards are built on NVIDIA's latest Blackwell architecture and feature GDDR7 memory, but they cater to different user needs. The ASUS card boasts a higher clock speed and advanced cooling features, while the GIGABYTE card offers double the VRAM at a lower price point. Join us as we explore their specifications, performance, and value to help you make an informed decision. The ASUS SFF-Ready Prime GeForce RTX 5060 Ti features a factory overclocked speed of 2,647 MHz, which provides a noticeable performance boost for gaming and graphics-intensive tasks. Its advanced cooling solution with axial tech fans ensures optimal thermal management, allowing for sustained performance under load. In contrast, the GIGABYTE WINDFORCE RTX 5060 Ti has a slightly lower clock speed of 2,572 MHz, but it compensates with a compact design that fits easily into smaller builds. Both cards support the latest DLSS 4 technology, ensuring they deliver impressive performance in modern gaming scenarios. When it comes to pricing, the ASUS Prime model comes in at $469, which reflects its premium features and higher clock speeds. However, for those on a budget, the GIGABYTE WINDFORCE offers a compelling alternative at just $429, providing double the VRAM at a lower price point. This makes the GIGABYTE card an excellent choice for gamers looking for value without sacrificing performance, especially for high-resolution gaming. The ASUS SFF-Ready Prime RTX 5060 Ti is designed for performance enthusiasts, but comes with a larger footprint at 12 inches, which may not fit in all cases, particularly smaller SFF builds. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE WINDFORCE is much more compact at just 8.19 inches, making it ideal for mini ITX systems and tight spaces. This compact design does not compromise on performance, making it a great option for gamers who need a powerful GPU in a small form factor. In conclusion, both the ASUS SFF-Ready Prime GeForce RTX 5060 Ti and the GIGABYTE WINDFORCE RTX 5060 Ti offer impressive performance for gamers. The ASUS card excels in clock speed and cooling features, making it suitable for performance enthusiasts, while the GIGABYTE card stands out for its value and compact design, making it perfect for small form factor builds. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.